Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today we're comparing two popular models, the OLIXIS Ice Maker Machine and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver 26 pounds of ice per day, making them perfect for home, RV, or camping use. But which one is the better choice for you? Let's dive into the details and find out. When it comes to price, the OLIXIS Ice Maker Machine is the more budget-friendly option at $69, while the Igloo model is priced at $89. This $20 difference may be significant for those looking for a cost-effective solution for their ice-making needs. In terms of ice production speed, the OLIXIS Ice Maker can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, making it the faster option. On the other hand, the Igloo takes 7 to 8 minutes for 8 ice cubes. If speed is a priority for you, the OLIXIS model has the edge. The OLIXIS Ice Maker offers versatility with its ability to produce 2 sizes of bullet ice cubes, catering to different beverage needs. In contrast, the Igloo model only produces 1 size of ice. This feature could be a deciding factor for those who enjoy cocktails or need ice for various uses. In conclusion, both the OLIXIS and Igloo ice makers have their strengths. The OLIXIS model stands out for its lower price, faster production speed, and dual ice size options, making it a great choice for those who prioritize value and versatility. Meanwhile, the Igloo offers a compact design and brand recognition, which may appeal to some users. Whichever you choose, both machines will help keep your drinks cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.